Are you planning to pitch your startup at one of our Silicon Beach Group events online and around the world? Cullen here. I'll help you fill in the Google Pitch form to get started. Go to the meetup.com page for the Silicon Beach event you'd like to attend and find the link to the pitch request form. Enter your name, email, and the name of the project you'd like to pitch and click Submit. That's it, you're all set to pitch. Please add this to your calendar and we will also send you a reminder. And remember, when you give your pitch, make sure your first sentence is a powerful icebreaker. Clarify the problem your solution solves and be clear on your ask. Are you asking for an investor, co-founder, developer, or something else? Be sure to check out my How to Add Your Project video and keep up to date by clicking subscribe today.